ChatGPT 4.0 is the latest and most powerful multimodal model from OpenAI. It combines text, image, audio, and video understanding, all in one seamless experience. And now, it can create stunning images just from your text prompts. Here's what makes image generation in 4.0 so powerful. 1. Consistent character generation. Whether you need the same character in different scenes or poses, 4.0 can remember and replicate consistent details. 2. 3D camera movement simulation. Want cinematic angles? ChatGPT 4.0 allows prompts with specific camera angle. 3. Inpainting and editing. Need to remove or change something in your image? Just describe the edit, and it updates the image instantly. 4. Style control. Choose from dozens of artistic styles: hyperrealism, Pixar, oil painting, anime, charcoal. Let us explain these things in some details. Let's start with how to create a consistent character. Let us create the character at first by describing it in the prompt. We write, draw a full-body image of a young girl named Amal. She has wide eyes and black hair, and she is wearing blue jeans and a yellow t-shirt. Amal also wears yellow sneakers. Do not include any text in the image. Use Pixar style for the illustration. Here is our character. Now let us put our character into another scene. In the same session, write another prompt. Draw the young girl named Amal studying at her desk. Send the prompt and see the result. We noticed that ChatGPT had drawn the same character in the different scene we asked for. Let us put the girl in another scene. Write in the new prompt. Draw the young girl playing basketball with her friends. Send the prompt and see the result. We see the same girl character in different scene playing as we asked. Now we will talk about 3D camera movement and perspective control. Let's draw a new scene of children playing in the garden. Now let us redraw the image from different camera angle. Write in the prompt, draw this image with bird's eye view. Bird's eye view is a shot from directly above the scene. Here is the resultant image. Let us try another camera angle. Write in a new prompt. Draw this image with worm's eye view. This angle create the image with low angle, looking straight up. Here's the resultant image with worm's eye view. I had listed the common cinematic camera shots and angles in a PDF file. The link will be in the description. Now we will talk about editing images. To edit an image that ChatGPT had already created it, click it. It will open a new window with bigger size. Write the changes you want in the prompt window under the image. In this image, we will ask ChatGPT to remove the boy in the right from the image and do not add anything to the original image. Let us send the prompt and see the result. The boy is removed, keeping the other image's elements as it is. Let us try another thing. Let us add another girl to the image. Click the image you want to edit. Write in the prompt, add a girl in yellow dress. Here's the result exactly as we asked for. Let's try something interesting. First, we'll upload an image of the girl. Then, we'll upload an image of the t-shirt. After that, we'll use a prompt like, make the girl wear this t-shirt. Here's the result. Now let's see one interesting ability. Changing image style. Upload an image. Write in the prompt, redraw the image in anime style. Here's the result. Change the image to sketch style. Here's the result. There's a lot of styles we can use in ChatGPT. I collected most of them in PDF file. You find the link in the description.